Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you home chefs and cooking enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of nonstick frying pans and exploring what makes the Sensarte ceramic skillet the best choice for cooking those perfect eggs. So, if you're tired of your eggs sticking to the pan or dealing with a messy cleanup, keep watching because we've got you covered. Alright, let's kick things off with an overview of the Sensarte ceramic skillet. This 8-inch frying pan is designed to make your cooking experience easier, healthier, and more enjoyable. It's got some fantastic features that set it apart from the competition, and we'll dive right into them. First and foremost, the Sensarte ceramic skillet boasts a ceramic coating that's not only non-stick but also incredibly safe for your health. It's free of PFOA, PTFE, PFAs, lead, and cadmium, ensuring that no harmful substances will leach into your food. Now, here's the magic. The surface of this pan is incredibly smooth and super non-stick. Eggs simply slide right off without any effort, making your cooking experience a breeze and allowing you to use less oil, which means healthier meals. The Sensarte ceramic skillet is built to last. It's made of heavy-duty cast aluminum with an induction base, which prevents warping, wobbling, or degrading over time. This means it heats up quickly and evenly, making it suitable for all stovetops, including induction cooktops. Now, let's talk about the handle. It features a comfortable wood grain design, ensuring a secure grip, and the best part is that it stays cool while you're cooking. Plus, this skillet is oven-safe up to a scorching 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Nobody wants to deal with extra dishes, right? Well, the Sensarte ceramic skillet makes cleanup a breeze. Its slippery, non-stick surface and no rivets design mean you can wipe it clean in seconds with just a towel, some soap, and warm water. We do recommend hand washing to extend the life of your pan. And here's the cherry on top. All Sensarte skillets are made from recycled aluminum and use healthy ceramic nonstick material, which reduces carbon dioxide emissions by a whopping 80%. So, you're not only cooking healthier but also helping the environment. So, there you have it, folks, the Sensarte ceramic skillet, the best nonstick frying pan for eggs on the market. It's a versatile, healthy, and eco-friendly choice for your kitchen. If you're ready to upgrade your cooking experience and make those perfect eggs every time, click on the link in the description below to get your very own Sensarte ceramic skillet. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you found this review helpful. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!